Happy Sunday, guys! Here we are for another episode of Cooking with LJ and
Baker.
So today, what are we cooking?
We're cooking, it's called Ayatollah of Capicola milk.
Y'all can see the clothes right here. See the word right here? We can't say it. Ayatollah of Capicola milk. So basically a sandwich. Okay, so what are the ingredients we'll be using? We got bread here. What kind of bread do we have?
We got, it's called Italian loaf.
And then we have some goat cheese, some Parmesan cheese. This is a lot of cheese. Sliced provolone cheese for all you cheese lovers. And what kind of meat are we going to be putting in there?
We got Capicola.
Capicola right out the deli. And then some, what is this? What's that?
We got extras.
Some extra meat. It says Del Duca Togetherness Food. Calabrese, Brusqueta, burrito, and burrito tacos, and copa. That's what it says. And then we have some romaine lettuce. All right, so I'm going to be the one behind the camera. I'm going to capture every moment of every little thing that Devin does with his recipe. And then we'll come back on camera and I'm going to taste test, of course. All right, so what are we doing right now?
We're slicing the baguette into fourths and pieces, slice in large pieces.
Okay, 4 large pieces. Pizza.
That's better. Alright. Then to split the two, each pieces in two.
So we're just gonna make one long sandwich. So that way,
yeah.
So we got 2 pieces. Good. Nice. All right. We are back. So the provolone cheese has melted. And the blue cheese.
Smells like a weird cheese.
Smells good.
Yep, it smells good.
Alright, so what's next?
Okay, it says set aside until it's cool enough to handle the layer of capicola on top of the provolone, then top of the other hot halves of bread served immediately.
Okay, okay. We don't. We eat hot stuff. Want to put this lettuce on first? We're going to put lettuce on first, or you want to put that last? We'll put that last.
Yeah.
Put the meat on. What can we do is serve it. For those of you that eat red meat,
Oh, I think Dad's wants some.
it's all red on it. There's not
Okay.
only all red. Ain't only all red.
Yeah, I know.
That's a lot of meat.
Yep. A lot of meat. I got these at Publix.
It's been working for 6 years. Great place to go. So put the lettuce on top of there. Actually, you want to put that back in the oven so it can get hot. A little bit.
We could do that.
So we'll be back. The lettuce on top of it once it's ready. Alright, it's been 4 minutes and it's so good. Look at that steaming. Alright, let's put the lettuce on top, on the top half.
Is it enough?
Yeah. Do you want to add anything else to it? No?
Nope,
Good?
that's it.
Alright. Put that on top. Alright. At the top or the bottom? Oh, careful. It's hot. Alright. So, I'm going to transfer it over here. I'm going to transfer it here. Transfer it to the plate. I'm going to cut it up first. Okay, we're going to cut it up into 2, and we're going to do our taste test. And we're back. All right, so we have finished our Ayatollah Capicola. No, we haven't. Ayatollah of Capicola melt. That's what it says. Now you say it.
Ayatollah of Capicola.
I told you that's what you said. That's what you said. You said told you something about it.
This is hard. This is hard, man.
I know. Ayatollah of Capicola melt. Hey, I did it. Okay. So anyway, let's get the taste test. All right. You get what do you think?
The goat cheese tastes phenomenal. Man. It tastes phenomenal.
Where does it come from? The cheese expert. The cheese person. But if I'm meditation, is the meat spicy? Is the meat spicy?
No.
Am I just not used to like spicy meat? Is this spicy meat? Is it spicy? See, here's the thing. My family, everybody but me, eats hot stuff. So when I taste something hot, it like automatically, I just automatically like, oh, is this hot? What is this? So there must be some kind of peppers or something, or this meat is just like something. Look at him. We're almost finished, and I'm over here like tearing up. You see that?
It's a little bit hot in the Capicola, but it's good. I never tasted Capicola.
Now, would you add more hotness to this? Like some sriracha?
Oh man, I would.
So, really good, really good. And it only took us, what, 15 minutes to make? Idea for a Super Bowl party, or any party. Cut them up in little pieces. Good. So I give me a bag of chips. It's good. Spicy, but it's good. Very good. So, if you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. I'm LJ. This is
Baker.
And we have an episode once a month, on the first week of the month, showcasing different. Oh God, this is hot. Different recipes in his official cookbook of the WWE. So we're like almost halfway through the book. Look at him. He's over there getting sauces. He's getting more sauces. He's over there getting sauces. What are you? He's getting banana. See? You gotta have a healthy snack. Banana chips. Yeah. Anyway. So, if you haven't hit that bell yet, hit that bell. Get notifications of when our It's too funny.
Man.
When our videos are up, Devin lets me know every week when our videos are up, so we can watch them. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm LJ, and this is
Baker.
and we'll see you guys next week.